What if I tell you that this isn't a car? This is a weapon on wheels. Born in Italy, bred for chaos, Lamborghini Temerario isn't here to follow the rules. It's here to break them. It doesn't whisper luxury. It roars rebellion. With every curve sculpted for speed and every sound tuned to thrill. Welcome to the edge of insanity. Welcome to the Temerario. So first things first, we'll start about the design of this car, how this car looks, and then we'll move on the inside and I'll tell you what all you get on the inside. First of all, I really love this color shade. This purple color shade looks really pretty and you can get 400 color options for the customizations. If I talk about the design part, compared to the regular Lamborghinis, इसका डिज़ाइन बहुत ज़्यादा अलग है. This is introduced in the Indian market to replace the Huracan. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, अगर मैं इसके डिज़ाइन पार्ट की बात करूँ, you get very sharp and aggressive looking projector headlamps. नीचे की तरफ देखेंगे, यहाँ पे आपको यहाँ पे DRLs मिल जाते हैं hexagonal shape में. यहाँ पे आपको fog lamps मिलते हैं. You get a lot of space which make this car more aerodynamic. You get these carbon fiber inserts to reduce the overall weight of the car. If we move on the sides of this car, you can see how massive these wheels are. यहाँ पे आपको फ्रंट में 20 इंच व्हील्स मिलते हैं, रियर में आपको 21 इंच व्हील्स मिलते हैं. इवन यू कैन लुक एट द कैलिपर्स. इसके जो कैलिपर्स हैं वो भी पेंट शीट के साथ ही पर्पल कलर के हैं. यहाँ पे आपको दो अलग अलग टैंक्स मिलते हैं. दिस इज़ अ प्लग इन हाइब्रिड कार. सो यहाँ पे आपको इसका फ्यूल टैंक मिलता है. अगर मैं इसके रियर की तरफ मूव करूं, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि रियर से भी इसका जैसा डिज़ाइन है, ऐसा आपने कभी किसी लैम्बो में देखा नहीं होगा. वेरी प्रिटी लुकिंग LED टेल लाइट्स, हेक्सागोनल डिज़ाइन है. यहाँ पे आपको कार्बन फाइबर डिफ्यूज़र मिलता है विच लुक्स रियली कूल. यहाँ पे आपको बीच में एग्जॉस्ट देखने को मिल जाता है. एंड the way this part has been sculpted, you can have a good view of the tires. It looks really cool. अगर मैं इसके इस साइड की तरफ मूव करूं तो यहाँ पे आपको इसका चार्जिंग मिल जाता है, cause this is a plug-in hybrid car. यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे आपको एक V8 plug-in hybrid engine देखने को मिल जाता है. Overall, if I talk about how this car looks, it looks really pretty, really insane. You can have a look at the curves and lines. It's very aggressively made. यहाँ पे आपको डोर हैंडल मिल जाता है, इधर से आप इसका डोर एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. So overall, in terms of design, Lamborghini has done a wonderful job in terms of how they have designed this car, cause it looks really pretty out of the box. Now let's move on the inside and see what all the all-new Lamborghini Temerario gets. So we are finally inside the Temerario, and compared to the other Lamborghinis, this looks very different. The company has revamped the interiors of this car. This still retains that Lamborghini design language. As you can see, those AC vents, they have the typical Lamborghini design. The good part is you get 3 different screens here. One for the passenger, one for the middle to use and access all the controls, and one is your fully digital instrument console. You get 4 drive modes here. You can access those drive modes from this button. You have got this EV mode. You also get a drift mode where your car will be rear wheel drive, and from this button you can also increase the height of the car if you are driving this car on some uneven patches. यहाँ पे आपको स्पेस मिल जाता है सामान रखने के लिए. You get 2 USB-C type chargers. यहाँ पे आपको इसका स्टार्ट बटन मिलता है. टिपिकल Lamborghini डिज़ाइन है इसका. यहाँ पे आपको रिवर्स, पार्किंग, मैनुअल मोड देखने को मिल जाते हैं. इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्टोरेज, यू डोंट हैव अ लॉट टू स्टोर. You just have a few cubby spaces to keep your stuff. Other than that, you get these door buttons on the sides, you get these window controls. So overall, it has been designed really well. You get a very cool looking carbon fiber फ्लैट बॉटम स्टीयरिंग व्हील विद दीज मैसिव पैडल शिफ्टर्स. और इनको पकड़ने का जो फील है ना, वही बहुत ज़्यादा अलग है, बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंट है. सो ओवरऑल Lamborghini has worked really good on the design, and you can also get your customizations on inside along with the paint color. Like this car is in purple color shade, तो वो inserts आप इसकी seats पे देख सकते हैं. You get these racing bucket seats which are made of carbon fiber and they are like well settled. They have good side support, under thigh support, shoulder support. So overall, Lamborghini has done a very wonderful job in designing this car. So overall, Lamborghini has done a wonderful job designing this car on the outside and inside. It feels very sporty and very premium on the inside at the same moment. तो दोस्तों ये तो बात होगी इसके इंटीरियर्स की. Now let's move outside and we'll talk about the powertrain of this mad machine. So we are finally outside the car and let's talk about the heart of this car. This is the first V8 plug-in hybrid by Lamborghini, and talking about its figures, this car derives power from a V8 twin turbo hybrid engine which makes 800 PS of peak power, and the electric motor makes 110 kilowatt hour of power. Combined power output is 920 PS. 8 स्पीड का DCT gearbox मिलता है इस गाड़ी के अंदर. 0 to 100 kmph सिर्फ 2.7 सेकंड्स में एक्सेलरेट कर सकते हैं, एंड इस गाड़ी की टॉप स्पीड है 343 kmph की. 4 ड्राइव मोड्स इसके अंदर मिलते हैं. दिस कार इज बिल्ट ऑन एन ऑल न्यू चैसी. 1.7 टन इस गाड़ी का ओवरऑल वेट है. सो Lamborghini हैज़ रियली इंजीनियर्ड दिस कार. कंपनी रिवेल्टो ऑलरेडी इंडियन मार्केट में ऑफर करती है विच comes as a V12 plug-in hybrid engine, but this is their first car which comes with a V8 plug-in hybrid engine. The deliveries of this car will start from next year and the price of this car is 6 crore ex showroom. I want to know your opinions about the all new Lamborghini Temerario. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई, you know the drill. इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all our future updates.